Hey guys, thanks for tuning in today. Yet again, this is going to be another airplane unboxing. Thanks for tuning in today, guys. It is July 22nd, 2016, and it's 7:35 in the evening. Today's unboxing is going to be of a Allegiant A320 airplane. And this comes to us today from Daron. And so, hey everybody, we're going to be unboxing it. So let's go ahead and open the box and take a look at it. And this is my second A320 here at the airport. Let's see. It comes. Box comes out like that. All right, here is the plane, and we're gonna cut the box out. So we're gonna get our scissors. Let's set that down. That was easy. We got it. Alrighty. Here's the Allegiant plane. Let's take a look at it. And look. Yeah, it looks great. It's got very great detail on it. Thanks for watching, guys. It looks great. This looks great. So, you know what we're gonna do? We are gonna put it at the airport. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe. And this is the most update airport tour. So I guess, thanks for watching, guys, and that'll be it. Bye-bye, everybody.